Showcase your ethical hacking skills with EC Council's January 2024 Global CEH Compete Challenge. Investigation Operational Technology Exploitation. The scenario: you are a cybersecurity investigator working for a critical infrastructure organization. The organization has noticed unusual behavior in its OT systems, and there is an underlying concern that an attacker has gained access through potentially risky ports to exfiltrate the organization's critical control systems. Your mission is to investigate for potential operational technology exploitation and the source of the intrusion, assess the breach extent, and suggest actions to mitigate the incident, keeping future safety in mind. Compete with global peers to reach the top of the leaderboard. Join the Global CEH Challenge. Register now. Visit www.eccouncil.org/CEH